If I'm getting late for work and I have to get ready in just 5 minutes, this is how I do my makeup. So let's get started. At first, I'm going to be using the NYX First Base Primer and then applying it on my face and letting it sit on the face. Once it dried off, then I'm going to be using the NARS concealer in the shade Caramel and then apply it on my face with the help of the brush. I first load it and then target my pigmented areas like my dark circles, corners of my nose, and then blend it. This concealer is so easy to use. You can use it with the help of your fingertips and also with the brush and also with the sponge, and it just blends really well and then sits on the skin and give that skin-like finish. The next product that I'm going to be using is the NYX HD Finishing Powder. It's a mineral-based powder. It is good for oily skin types and someone who sweats a lot. So I target it on the under eye area, also on my forehead and also on the corners of my nose, and try to set this powder in place on my eyelids so that I can do my eye makeup. It's such a base powder, amazing for oily skin type, and it doesn't give that dewy or greasy look. Then I'm gonna be using the Peri Pera Ink Velvet Lip and Cheek Stain in the shade 31. It's the wine nude shade. It has a nice brown natural pink tone which suits really well for Indian skin tones. I like to apply it on my lips, and then I also use a little bit of this product on the eyelids, and blending it properly with the help of the concealer brush that I used on my face. Just blend it. It gives a nice natural pink kind of a flushed look on the eyelids. I'm applying the same tint on the cheeks and then blending it out with my makeup blending brush. Look at that nice flushed look that this gives. I'm applying the same thing on the other side of my cheek and then letting it sit till it properly melts and gives that nice natural blush look. Blend everything out so that you can give that skin-like finish yet flushed look on the apples of your cheek. Then I'm gonna be moving to my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Precise pencil. It's in the shade black. It's Express Brow. It's so precise that you can use it to give that natural looking eyebrow look. Fill all the gaps between your eyebrow hair and then blend everything with the help of the spoolie that is provided by the company. It gives a nice fuller eyebrow look and gives a proper structure to your face. It doesn't look like you're overdone your eyebrows, just gives that nice natural finish. Then for my eyes, I'm gonna be using the Rival liquid eyeliner. It's in the shade Long Lasting Pure Black. A wing eyeliner look on brown skin is pure elegance, and you got a bold yet timeless look that transitions beautifully from the day to night. And at last, I'm gonna finish this makeup look by using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Look at the volume that it brings to my lashes. It looks like I have fuller lashes, and this is the complete look. This is it. It's super easy to do, and you can just achieve this makeup look in just 5 minutes. And let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about this makeup look on Indian skin tones, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.